Need some help operating a chainsaw? Then you've come to the right place. At Skills Unlimited and NECF, we provide you with all the foundational skills you need to excel. That's not the way to do it. How about a protective mask? Aren't you forgetting something? You'll want to make sure your teammates are a good distance away. But don't worry, all these tips and more will be explained to you in clear detail. Get your Chainsaw Competency Certificate now. Contact us at Skills Unlimited and NECF to get your career started.